Where do you want to move to?
Huh?
Where do you want to move?
You want to change house with you. You live in his house and he lives in your house.
You be in my house and I be in your house.
Why?
Because I let you go in my house. My house I have a lot of toys.
Oh yeah, my house I don't have any toys at all.
Huh? Whoa! Oh my goodness! It's like a garage. Oh my goodness.
Who do you like? Con thương ai?
Everybody.
Có thương cha kìa không?
Everybody.
Who do you like most? Con thích ai nhất? Jackie, Kathy, or Jenny?
Kathy.
Why?
Because Kathy have cool shoes.
Hôm nay Kathy có mặc shoes không?
Yes.
Did she wear her cool shoes today?
No.
Không ạ?